So we're here today at Mountain High. It's a beautiful day. The snow's absolutely amazing. We're gracious enough to give us this great training ground. And we got Tillman, Lyle, Rose, and the little puppy Sully practicing their snowboarding skills, kind of preparing for the Olympics. We're probably heading up to Vancouver. And can't thank Mountain High enough for donating this. And I hope the people are enjoying it. I know the dogs are. And it's great. Come on up here.
Go, go, Spot, go. Go, Spot, go. Go, Spot, go. Go, go, Spot, go. Go, Spot, go. Go, Spot, go. C-Spot, C-Spot run. C-Spot verbally explode like a shotgun. CJ leaving. She called me red-handed cause Pippin ain't easy. C-Jack, Jack's getting paid full. 2 weeks later, Jack's dropped from his label. No better than a grateful. He's at her with this biz. You can only stay fresh. If fresh is how you live, you better sit back. At the pivotal time, the riveting rhyme tickles his spine. Imprisoned minds get released in these visions of mine. The blank-faced nemesis, I'll hit you effortless. Upon the microphone, I lead kids specialist. The pivotal time, the riveting rhyme tickles his spine. Imprisoned minds get released in these visions of mine. The blank-faced nemesis, I'll hit you effortless. Upon the microphone, I lead kids and specialists. That's why I'm dropping these lyrical props. These 1 in a million like lottery, taking over like Monopoly. I know to make you weak in the knees and your head sore. A funky little kid with the style that you're sent for. Y'all copy like 10-4. I smack rhymes in your mom's titties on my headboard singing. Go, go, Spot, go. C-Spot, C-Spot run. C-Spot lyrically rampage puns. CJ, greet me, CJ moment.